So first attempt at the Hummer. Guess everything. It's just a guess. Just see how we get on. It's got a it's got a different motor than the one that came with it, mainly because it was a bit erratic. I think it had a bit of a nosedive, and there are a few other little bits and pieces, but generally it's in pretty good condition. So we're just about trying to, see where the CofG is and see whether it wants to fly or not. It is a bit windy. Hey, probably won't hurt too much with this. Whoa. Okay. Whoop. I think I've got to say that battery needs to come forward a little bit more. Yeah, just a tad, I think. Yeah, just a tad. It's just floating a bit too much. It was a guess, and I think it's supposed to fly with a 1300 battery, and I don't have any of them. So we've got a 12. So we've got a little bit of room for wiggle there. And just bring it forward a little bit. We can then do something else if we need to. Yeah, so from another member of the club, only wanted £20 for it. Well, he actually wanted 25, and I drive a hard bargain. And he'd had his time with it and enjoyed it, I think, so. Yeah, it's a little bit better. Whoop. A little bit pitchy, that might just be down to rates. It is obviously a 3D model, supposedly. Well, I'm not much for that, but yeah, it'll hang. Nice. Yeah, we like it. Oh, we like new models. Uses a 1250 battery, which a few of my other aircraft do, and that's always good because that gives you a bit of flexibility to come to the airfield with a bit more stuff that you can fly if you have to, want to, need to. Yep. Yeah, it does upside down, look. Yeah, I'm sure it does. I bet it does all those sort of things. See, I'm not much for rudder, unfortunately, so I'm not going to be able to do a great deal with that. I'll have to work on it. Oh, it flies real slow, it's nice. I think I must have just pegged that CofG bang on there. Look at that, that's lovely. Whoop. Yeah. So I'm not quite sure what it needs there. It needs a little bit of extra rate, maybe. At least it didn't crash. It landed in the outfield. It's a little bit sort of horrible here today. It's been a bit rainy. Bit being the blooming operative word, so it's a bit of a bog again out here. It does turn into a bit of a bog. So that's 1,000, I think, that motor. Yeah. 28, 30, 11, 1,000. It's a G power. It's the Dice motor. Had it on my biplane, but the biplane is a little bit underpowered, underpropped. So we're having a bit of a swap round the motors and ESCs at the moment, see if we can get better performance and flight and characteristics. I made the a little undercarriage here. You couldn't find the original. So yeah, that's good. I like that. I mean, that's definitely something you could bring and have a bit of fun with. I think we could just push that. Whoa, a couple of clicks that way. Yep. Don't look down. Ha ha ha. Yeah, not quite that confident when it comes to adjusting things. Yep. No, we like it. We like it. it's so light. I mean, it's God. They just hang on its prop. It's just. I mean, if it doesn't, as long as you're high enough, you can fiddle it. Yeah, it's relatively easy to see which way up it is as well. Oh, that's one of those sort of best £20 I ever spent. I suppose I must have put another few bob into just doing more time and a few little parts into just tidying it up. But generally it was in very good condition. Thank you, Alan. It's the original ESC. I think it's a 30 and 10x47 prop, I think it is. I try to get some. I've got some more. They arrived today. They don't look quite as good as this one, so try not to break it, eh? Try not to break it. Exactly. Why would you want to break it? Not when you're having so much fun. Ooh. Yep. Remember to increase the power as you come back into wind. Ooh. Yeah, it's made for it. Look at it. Made for it. Get into trouble if they see me doing that. Oh, yeah, that's the trouble with that, isn't it? I'm not skilled enough to do that sort of rudder thing with the throttle. It's because I never really used rudder. Oh yeah, I was guessing at the battery time, so we'll get it back and just give it a check. I can't remember what I put it in for, but that's fine. Well, now then. Whoa! Now then, how you doing? Look at that, 26 seconds left on the clock. Let's go and check the battery and then we can get a better idea of how long we can fly for. Oh yeah, put a new servo on the tail, that was all, really. Oh, I had to repair the motor mount. It's taken fairly hard crunch on the nose, I think, with a few other things. It was just a bit more than he wanted to do, but no, well, great bargain, thanks. As I say, absolute bargain. Right, let's just check that out.